How you doing? I'm here at Vawa Bay. Right behind me here, that's the bay, that's the frozen bay. I'm just popping on for a second before I get run over. Just to say that I won't be posting a Sunday Night with Endangered Stories this evening because it's going to be a very big evening for sports, for those who watch the NFL. So I'm going to suspend Sunday Night with Endangered Stories this evening, and I'll be posting tomorrow evening what I should have posted tonight. So Monday Nights with Endangered Stories tomorrow at 7:30. Keith Kelly, resident of Point Claire since 1851. He's been here forever. Don't miss it. But I don't want to leave you empty-handed. So in case it's a nice relaxing Sunday for you, here's one of my favorite scenes from Point Claire, just to help you to relax. This is a scene from actually my office at the Point Claire Shopping Center, or Plaza Point Claire, or the shops, depending on your connection to the mall. So enjoy, and we'll see you tomorrow.